Good morning. This right here is a little pick porn, and I want to show you guys some of the picks that I first started making when I was making picks. And these right here, wire picks, you know, made out of music wire. I made a bunch of them, all kind of music wire picks. And this one right here was really nice. Works very well. Let me put on my better glasses so I can see more better. And this right here is a homemade dimple pick. Works very well. More wire picks. I got a whole bunch of wire picks, man. At one time, I really liked wire picks. This one right here, this pick here was made specifically for the Avis 4140s, 4150 series, and it works like a dream. Works very well. This right here one is also designed for the Avis, and it opens up the other. What in the heck Avis was I designed this one for? I have no idea, but it works well because I kept it. And here's my dimple picks that I've made. All of these are all handmade, and they all work very well. They all work very well. There's a couple of more. I gotta say though, as we all may or may not know, there are a few picks that you make that work exceptionally well. And these three right here work exceptionally well. And they're all just handmade, man. Dremel tool. And these two picks right here are the first two picks that I ever made, I don't know, 10 or 12 years ago. I still got them. I never get rid of them. And this is the one that I made out of heater hose belt when I first started picking American locks. Huh. Pretty funny, huh? To go back that far. And these two right here are the ones, see the little star on there? These two right here are the ones that I actually picked open that M3 core with, but I also had to use a piece of rod to move the sidebar back and forth about every 3 seconds. I would hit that sidebar, pick a little bit, hit that sidebar, pick a little bit, and I did get that M3 Medico core open. I was really happy about that. This right here is a dimple lock, as we can see, and for a long time people have been wondering, you know, what's this tool right here for? Why would they include this tool here in a picking kit? I don't know what it's for, blah blah blah. And I've seen big channel guys just throw that in the trash. Well, I'm fixing to show you what it's for. Maybe, if I can find the correct tension tool here. There you go, that might work. No, that's too small. That might work. So let's see here. All you do is just see. That's what it's for. Is you just rake these things, or you're supposed to be able to rake them. Anyway, that's what they're for, is to rake these things. Now, does it work? I don't know. We didn't get it open, did we? Anyway, we're not really trying to pick open this thing here, I don't guess, but you can see it's kind of in a false set if you want to count that as a false set. Some people won't even mess around with these dimple locks. I kind of like them. Yes, I kind of like them. I used to spend hours picking these things, man. But we're not going to spend hours here today. This is already a 7-minute video. Anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate what this hair thing is for. And that's what this tool is for, man, is to rake these dimple locks. Anyway, I'll get that opened up later maybe. So there's just a little wire pick porn for you. And the dimple picks. And a dimple rake. That's what this thing is for. It's a dimple rake. Anyway, we're on 8 minutes. Holy cow. I'll talk with you guys later and take care.